Before you throw those eggshells out, try this. You want to bake them at 250 degrees for about 15 minutes. You don't want to cook them too high because you don't want to cook all the nutrients out of it. So 250, 15 minutes. So the reason why we're using this is because some vegetables require calcium, and so as expensive as eggs are, why not use the shells? So what you just saw us do was use the air fryer. You want to make sure that this is outside because it does smell, but this helps out with broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, kale, lettuce, spinach, tomatoes, peppers, okra, sweet potatoes, all of that. So yeah, try this before you throw your eggshells out. It also helps with blossom end rot for your tomatoes, and also with squash and peppers. So the purpose of the purpose of cooking these is so that they can grind up really good, because otherwise it has that membrane in it still. So it'll be kind of sticky and hard to grind up. So that's the purpose of us using the air fryer.
That's what I'm going to use as a blade next.
And this is the milling blade.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. So we use the grinder blade first, and then now we're using the milling blade to get it real fine. So there you have it. So you have your calcium that you can use in pre-planting. This can be done when your seedlings are ready to be put in the ground and you're already using the NPK mixture. You just add this in for a little bit more of calcium because your plants will definitely need it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and share this with someone who may be a beginner and just need a few tips and trying to save a little bit of money. So we'll catch you in the next video.